What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today we are going to talk about another POV session I had about last month. I know it's been a while, usually I upload more frequently, but lately I've been working on a lot of different stuff that I plan to bring to this channel. So this might actually be one of the last POV style sessions that I have for this, series sort of thing, because I plan to do a lot of more other fun type of videos and whatnot. So yeah. This one I'm going to talk about is about a group of images I took about last month when I went to the park. And I know usually street photography is kind of in the city with a bunch of skyscrapers and stuff like that, but that is less accessible to me. And usually I like to take pictures at places where a lot of people go to on a normal everyday kind of lifestyle basis. So I went to a park where a lot of people were like working out, exercising, spending time around golden hour. So I found a lot of these pictures and images to be very pleasing. And of course, I took all of these with the Fujifilm x100v in Acros. So I've been shooting a lot of black and white lately. I think you guys have noticed that, and I've been enjoying it a lot. All right, enjoy. So if you haven't noticed, a lot of these images I actually kind of messed up on. Some of them I was shooting too fast and I was trying to be a bit too stealthy, so I missed focus on what otherwise would have been a good shot. But I guess that just goes to show that sometimes you have to slow down and take your time a little bit, right? So something you'll notice as well is that I was shooting a lot of these pictures as if I would have been shooting a 50mm. So this was kind of what actually started my interest in buying a 50mm. I haven't picked one up yet, but I plan to in the future, because I was taking a lot of these pictures as if I wanted to get closer to the subject without getting too close to the subject so they wouldn't notice me. And it's kind of hard to do that with a 23mm. APS-C size, of course. So I plan to pick one up in the future and we'll see how I kind of enjoy it. But otherwise, I think a lot of these pictures came out pretty well, pretty decent. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video, those set of images. If you did, please do like and subscribe down to this channel below. I plan to be making a lot more pictures I plan to be making a lot more videos about the Fujifilm system and my kind of journey with them. So look forward to that, I guess. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in another video. Peace.